our LEGO Friends Advent Calendar videos. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button so you don't miss any of our future videos. And today we're opening number 5. Let's get on to the video. I wonder what's behind door number 5. Oh, this looks like a LEGO friend. I wonder which one. I see red hair. It's probably Mia. Let's open it up and see. This looks like it's a quick build. Mia looks so cute in her Christmas sweater. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Bye!